Hey everybody, it's Nat, and if you're interested in seeing my Ashley Stewart plus size fashion haul, please stay tuned. We're gonna start off with this black lace sweater top. This is one of my favorites, and the original price for the sweater top was $49.50 and I got it for $12.99. I love Ashley Stewart's clothes, but they are a bit on the pricey side, so I'm always shopping when things go on clearance. That's the best time. I would definitely, in this video, I'm not going to be wearing any undergarments or anything, but I would definitely wear undergarments under this. It's very it's form-fitting, but an undergarment would like smooth that front down and kind of smooth the back down. I love this top. Let me know if you do too. Next is the cold shoulder hooded poncho in navy. It's not my cup of tea, but it's something to throw on. I do like the cold shoulder and the hood on the back, but I'm not too, I guess I'm not too satisfied with the overall make of it. I think I may have gotten it too big. By the way, all of these shirts are in a 18-20, but sometimes you have to get clothes when they're made a certain way, a different size. I probably should have got a smaller size in this, but this was originally $39.50 and I got this for $12.99. Look at me showing the hood. Next is this cow neck sweater with buttons on the side. It's in the color macaw green. I like this sweater. I'm not too crazy about the color, but I like the way it's made, and it's right above like the mid thigh, so I will wear like some stretch pants or something with this. And then they have buttons on the side that you can pop open or wear clothes if you want. Overall, the sweater is cute. The original price for this sweater was $49.50 and I got it for $12.99. Next is this bell sleeve cold shoulder sweater in the color orchid. It's like a mustard yellow. I thought it was a little bit more of a bright yellow, but I still love this sweater. I love it. I love it. This is something you can wear into the spring, especially on those cool spring nights. This would be perfect. I love the way it fits. I love the sleeves. Originally, this sweater was $39.50 and I got it for $16. Got my tag sticking out. Let me stick that back in. I had just got this package. I was like, let me hurry up and do this video. Yeah, you can see like right in the back where a supportive garment will have this looking even better. So what do you think about this? I love it. Next is this balloon ruffle sleeve pullover top in the color Orange Dark Calm. When I saw this, I thought this was really cute. I like the way it fits. It is one of my favorite. I love the detailing down the sleeve. It's just not like a plain sweater. That those ruffles make a huge difference. Love this sweater. There I go again with that tag sticking out. My videos will be getting better, I promise y'all. Bear with me in my beginning stages. I'm learning, and I'm taking notes, trust me. But yeah, this is something you don't necessarily have to have an undergarment with. To me, I mean, unless you want to, because it just lays very comfortable. You can wear this with a pair of jeans and a nice boot, or even a nice pencil skirt. This can be worn in many ways. I love it. The cost of this was originally $39.50 and I got it for $16. Check you out. Okay, this right here is the boat neck multi-stitch sweater in the color Scooter Red. This is a very comfortable sweater. Something you can wear to work or church. You know, it's all about the accessories, the shoes, the bottoms you wear, whether it's a skirt or jeans or slacks or however. You can kind of dress this up in many different ways. I love these type of warm tone colors on me because it looks better on me as far as my skin type and complexion. This sweater right here was originally $39.50 and I got it for $11. Very comfortable, fits me great, and I'm just a talking. Oh. Nice, what you think? And if you made it this far in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free 99. Go ahead and support your girl for more content, and also click that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so every time I upload a video you will get notified. Next is this tie sleeve ruffle sleeve pullover in the color black. Honestly, I don't like this at all. I don't know what's about it. I don't know if it's the way the sleeves are made, if it's the material, or if it's the color. I don't know. I don't like it, and I'll more than likely be giving this away. I don't know, y'all. I just, you know how you see something and it's cute, but then when you put it on, you be like, nope. Next. That's the way I feel about this. So originally it was $39.50 and I got this for $12.99 on clearance. I don't know, y'all. What do you think? Yeah, I just don't look right. I don't know. I just don't feel right. You know, we don't feel right in something. That's it. That's all. It's not right. Bottom line. Nope. It's gathering up. No, not for me. Next. Okay, y'all, this is the solid mixed media rib neck cow neck sweater. Ooh, that was about to get out. It's in the color Italian Plum. I like this sweater as well. It's very comfortable. It's form-fitting. I think undergarment would definitely help with the overall look of this sweater. You can kind of wear that neck a little bit further down to expose more shoulder, or you can wear it up the way that I have it. It's purple. Next to pink, purple is my favorite color. So I love that as well. Yeah, a garment would help suck in that gut a little bit more. Or exercise too, right? Yeah. Original cost of this sweater was $44.50 and I got it for $10. So this is the tight front button-up knit cardigan in the color tan. I don't know about y'all, but this looks gray to me, but that's what it's listed as is tan. This is okay. I like this better than the other pull-up I showed earlier. Pull over. I like this a little better. This is cute. Definitely for church work, going out, depending on how you outfit it up. Accessories are everything. Very comfortable. Not too form-fitting, so undergarment is not necessary. I can see myself wearing this in many different ways. But I like it. The original cost for this was $39.50 and I got it for $12.99. Go me.